Looking for a natural way to boost digestion and fight infections? Try Greater Galangal root, a powerful Ayurvedic herb known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and digestive properties. Often called Siamese ginger, galangal is used to relieve nausea, indigestion, and respiratory issues like cough and asthma. It's also known to improve circulation, stimulate appetite, and strengthen immunity. You can use it in herbal teas, soups, or grind it into powder for daily wellness. At Mooli High Canada, we provide high-quality, sun-dried Greater Galangal root, 100% pure and free from additives, sourced directly from trusted farms in India. Add this healing root to your kitchen and feel the difference naturally. Order now from Mooli High Canada.